Thanks for watching again. So today let's discuss, or we have in integration we have three types of technique of integration. Then is integration by part, integration by um, integration by part, okay, that I have discussed earlier. Now here we are going to discuss integration by substitution. Here rule 1. This is important, okay. So integral of function f of x to the power n and f prime of x dx is f of x to the power n plus 1 over n plus 1, okay, this is constant, so where n should not be equal to minus 1, okay. So let's prove. First let or I to be or integrate this one, f of x to the power n f prime of x dx, since this is integration by substitution, okay. Now let's substitute that f of x is equal to t. That means if you take the f prime of x dx is dt, okay. Then our integral I will become f of x, just put t to the power n, f prime of x dx is dt. So we know integral of t to the n is t to the n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. So I can say integral of f of x to the power n f prime of x dx is nothing but replace back in terms of x, t equal to f of x, which is f of x to the power n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. And this, or integration by substitution, it will be required in what, reduction formula, okay, in the proof of reduction formula. Now rule 2 is nothing but, or integral of g prime of x over g of x dx is nothing but log of g of x plus c. So let's prove. Let I is equal to, or integral g prime of x over g of x dx. So let's substitute that, put g of x to be t. That means if you find out, if you differentiate g prime of x dx is equal to dt. Okay, now let's substitute. Integral of g prime of x dx is what, dt, and g of x is nothing but t. So integral of dt over t is log of t. So in other words, I can say integral of g prime of x over g of x dx is equal to log of t is what, 1 is t, g of x plus c. So this is our integration by parts, okay. Here it says that if you have a function f of x, okay, let me show here. Example, like integration of, let's say, cos x to the power n sin x dx. If you have this, now this is if you differentiate cos, one is cos, differentiation cos minus, okay, like this, you need to use this.